A legacy extended and greatness redefined. That is the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. Here at Northland Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. The highly versatile Grand Cherokee L offers three 4x4 systems and a host of capability features designed for off-road trails, city streets, and everything in between. With a new sculpted exterior and tapered roof that optimizes aerodynamic performance without sacrificing space. The most awarded SUV ever now comes with 3 rows that can seat up to 7 passengers with power seats and memory massage help to keep you comfortable. So come take a test drive in the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L here at Northland Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.